What's up guys, it's the Cheapster here, back with another video. So I was thinking about this question the other day, can you become a millionaire through doing side hustles? Because if you don't know, what I've been getting into this year is really just working on the side to put my money into investments and stuff. That's really how I've been helping save money and invest money throughout the year. And I've always been a big proponent of side hustles. I think they're awesome for extra income. They motivate you to just work more because it's something outside of maybe the normal thing that you do on your daily basis. And because it gives you so much flexibility during down times that you can go out and work so that things don't get bad where you can't pay your bills. But lately, one of my favorite things to do has been to go out and work and then just take the money and throw that into an investment, because it doesn't really feel like I have to worry as much about the risk, because I'm just kind of like, well, this is money I just made anyway, doing this extra stuff, so what does it really matter? And that got me thinking that maybe that actually leads to somewhat of a better investment strategy. Now, don't get me wrong, there's always going to be stuff out there that's really risky and stuff that can make you lose money, but I think for the most part, what I kind of see is people don't tend to take these small risks because they're too afraid of losing their money. And of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do. Do your own research with this stuff, but I think this led me down a path to realize that this could be a really good way to actually build your investments and to build your portfolio without having to feel like you're really taking on so much of the burden of putting your money in from maybe your full-time job or the other thing that you do outside of your side hustle. But also maybe you're like me and most of your job just is side hustles. I mean, that's pretty much what I've done my whole life, is stringing side hustles together to make a full income. So that could also be a possibility, and then you choose what side hustles you take money from to invest. There's just a lot of flexibility here, and I think it's a really fun way to actually get your money invested. Also, not to mention, I hear all the time people saying like, well, if I just throw a little money in, what's that? It's not really going to do anything. But if you look at compound interest over time, things really add up, even if you just put a little bit in at an early age. So all of this kind of added up and gave me the idea that I want to try on this channel to work side hustles until I have $1 million portfolio. Now, actually, when I came up with this idea, I was like super excited about it and really like, you know, this is awesome. This is going to be so much fun. And then I looked at the math, and I will say it's quite a challenge to be able to do this. This is going to be a long process to try to get there. But the point that I really do want to show is that this is possible, and that by adding up little money here and there, you really can grow a really good portfolio over time. And through all this, it will answer the question, can you actually become a millionaire just through side hustles? So basically, in practicality, what this is going to look like on the channel, you guys may have already seen it because actually I'm making this video a little late, but this is going to be number one. But what it's going to be is I'm going to go out and I'm going to work something like DoorDash. That's kind of my side hustle right now, so I do a lot of that, working DoorDash, and then I choose something to invest my money in. And along the way, I'm going to try to make it interesting and not just be like, okay, I'm working DoorDash and now I'm investing in just this index fund. And the next week I'm working DoorDash and I'm investing in this index fund. Now, is that the smarter way to do it? Maybe. That's why I say it's not financial advice. Don't necessarily follow exactly what I do. But over time, I'll be doing these side hustles to make money, put it into investments, and I'm going to keep a portfolio tracker that you guys can follow along. I'll update it maybe like once a week or something like that. And along the way, I'll do portfolio updates to kind of show you guys where everything is, to see if I've made money on certain things or to see if I've lost money. And right now, with the state of the economy, most of it's losing money. But the fact that the markets are down is not necessarily a bad thing, because that, of course, is the best time to get your money invested, get it invested at a lower point. So actually, this is a really good time to get started doing this kind of stuff, because hopefully in the future, maybe sometime the end of this year, maybe next year, things will start to kind of go back up, and that's where the portfolio will really start to grow. So yeah, that is the plan. I am going to try to make $1 million in my portfolio through just doing these side hustle jobs and taking the money and investing it somewhere. And I do want to say that I'm just going to take the exact amount I make every day I go out and do these side hustles and throw it into an investment. I know that there's other stuff like taxes and car gas and other things that kind of come up with that, but I'll be taking that money out of other money for my full-time to pay for those expenses for doing that kind of work, because that's pretty much how I handle my side hustle income anyway. I just pay for those expenses out of other money. But also along the way, it's not just going to be delivery driving. I'm going to try to do other things too. Like I said, I have done so many side hustles through my life. I actually did a video where I talked about something like 36 businesses that I started ever since I was a kid. So it should be a pretty crazy journey to see what kind of stuff I can do, what kind of stuff I invested, and kind of just where all this shakes up in the end. So I'm actually really excited about this. I hope that you guys are excited about this too on my channel. I feel like it really does fit in the category of working, saving, and then investing the money. And I kind of hope that you guys come along with me. Like I said, not financial advice. Don't exactly exactly invest in the things I invest in. Pick your own things that you want to invest in, but I hope you guys come along with me in working and then trying to invest your money or trying to build wealth together. I really find this stuff fun, to make working fun and to make investing fun, and to bring other people along with me so that we can all enjoy the wealth in the end. Hopefully we'll be sitting on a tropical island somewhere. Cheapster Island. Maybe that's what I'll put the $1 million into. I'll just buy an island. It's just open to all my subscribers. But yeah, guys, that's kind of the plan. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up with all these videos and all these updates and stuff. Of course, I still will be doing other things on my channel, talking about crypto and investing and different things like that, saving money. But I'm pretty excited about this because I did feel like the first time I ever went out and actually worked to try to buy some kind of investment was so much fun, and I really just enjoyed it. So I thought, why not make more videos like this? Helps make me money, helps make fun content for you guys, and hopefully motivates you guys to want to go out to and work. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video and for following along on this journey that's about to come. This is going to be a lot of years working on this, so it'll be interesting to see how everything shakes out. But if you guys like the video, remember to do the cheapest thing you can today. Tap that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more of this journey, and I will see you guys in the next video where I'm working to make who knows what. And remember, guys, stay invested. Is that going to be my new thing? No, stay cheap. You got to stay cheap by not spending to invest your money. That's what you got to do.
Hey, you better be saving that money. Don't you be spending it now. You're still here watching this? You might as well just subscribe. Why would you not at this point?